Rightio. I can. Trav's about to have a second go with his Brno, running SK standard. What do you got there? Nico Sterling's on 6. What power are you on?
I'm on 16 power.
No, you're not. You're only on about 8, 10, aren't you?
16 power. I can see the target.
Oh, right, your thing's over that side.
Yeah.
My mistake, your fault.
Yeah, of course.
All right, so I'll let me know and I'll start the clock.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
I think I started about a second short. I'll start that when you shot.
Oh, well, won't matter. It's a train wreck
Keep
anyway.
going. Keep going, you'll get it. Relax, you squint your head shaking like a fucking, like you're in a freezer, mate. Let me know when you're done.
Last one. Here we go. Done. Wow.
111.71.
One shot left. That can't be good. So there's another train wreck for you. Let's go have a look at the fucking nightmare that we have done.
There you go.
All right, so better than what the Lithgow did at least, but I thought surely I can do better than that. Obviously not. Brno Model 5 with SK standard has done really well for me. Can't blame the ammo, that's for sure. Can't blame the wind, it's not that bad. Can't blame the mirage, it's not that bad. Definitely loosen up behind the butt. So there you go. Day at the range. Welcome to the train crash. So this is it here. Straight away was a failure. So that was all right. But come down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still have one left over, which I saw when I emptied the magazine. So yeah, can't even count to 10. Well, that's going to be a problem, isn't it? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. The train wreck may continue. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.